Hello there everybody, Rich Starblast here. Hope you're all having an awesome Sunday. Welcome to episode 5 of Sunday Ramblings. Can you believe it? 5 episodes in, which is awesome. As you can notice there, look, I've actually cut my hair. I had to cut it because my scalp was getting a bit itchy and getting a bit too hot. So I was sort of starting to get headaches because it's bit too hot out there. I think I've missed a few bits, but never mind. So we're back to the usual ramblings about what I've learnt this week. Ooh, crikey. Get my hands all over the place. Oh, yeah, look at the camera. I'll try and look at the camera. So we go back to what I've learnt this week. I've been watching the usual videos from GSH Electrical. Gaz talking about MICC or pyro cable. So that's what I've learned today about that. What else have I learned? I just started watching this awesome series about the 30 rules of lighting using LED tape, doing something controversial like ditching pendants, which is a bit of an interesting thought, and lights in the walls, etc. Also, I learned from the great John Ward about the only really safe way to install an electric vehicle charging point is to literally dig up your driveway, put some metal bars down and cover it back over and drive your car over it. That's what I discovered today, but that's not really practical, but as apparently that's the safest way you can install an EV charger. Also, the ongoing saga with Artisan Electric Scout Hut, that's finally been resolved. If you haven't watched his video already, I'll pop a link in the description below. If you're watching this on YouTube, obviously I'll put a link in the description, and if you're watching it on Igtv, I don't know whether I can do that. I'll just post a description listing, I'll pop the video title in the description of this Igtv, if I can fit it in, that is. And you should have seen, you really need to go and watch the video. Let's just basically say, what's the point in putting a fire alarm system in if you're not going to actually wire it up? A bit crazy, don't you think? I also learned again about social media, the dark side of it again. Why do people have to react to everything? You don't need to. You can still have outrage about something, but you can be aware of it, but you don't have to react to it, because quite lately social media is not a very nice place to be right now. Also, I put the latest episode of Shout Out Saturday up, featuring some great electricians. Big one coming next week though. It's going to be a bit of a long video, I believe. We're going to have some heavy hitters actually being shouted out. So that's going to be another awesome one. Still coming up with ideas to try and do some more videos in a week, because I'm doing 2 a week at the moment. And what else have I learned? Let's go on a lighter note. Oh yeah, honey badgers. They are evil creatures. You would not want to confront one. So hopefully you found this video useful and enjoyable. And if you're watching this on IGTV, don't forget to like it and pop a comment and subscribe to my Instagram channel. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you like what you see, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all next Sunday. Ta-ta for now.